Does your marketing agency work with e-commerce clients? If so, this video is for you. One of the biggest challenges that agencies face right now is churn. When budgets tighten, e-commerce brands look at expenses and suddenly the agency, the one who's actually driving their revenue, your team, is the first to get cut. And every dropped client hurts your agency's bottom line and your momentum. So, how do you become the one cost that your clients will never cut? By making the value you deliver impossible to ignore. What we're seeing top agencies do is offer their clients a branded analytics and SEO dashboard that makes them look enterprise level without having to build anything in-house. That's where a white label partnership with Boardroom comes in. You can provide your clients with a leading e-commerce dashboard tool similar to Triple Whale and Polar Analytics, but with your branding on your domain and as your own product. Here's what happens as a result. Clients log in daily and literally see the revenue that you're responsible for. You become a core part of their operational workflow, not a monthly invoice. Your results stay front and center, constantly reinforcing ROI, and you stay sticky between campaigns, even when ads slow down. And best of all, it's completely free to set this up, and it comes with a custom branded landing page, training, and marketing assets, all that help facilitate onboarding your clients. You barely have to lift a finger. You're free to charge your clients any price that you deem appropriate for access. We've seen $200 to $300 a month work well. So this is a win-win that instantly becomes a profit center for your business. My name's Charlie. I'm the founder of Boardroom, and I would love to show you exactly how this all works and how the app that has powered over 1,000 e-commerce brands can now be used to grow your marketing agency. Just click the link below to book a quick call. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.